I want to make contact with rainforest life on this continent. This is where they are having their homes in a traumatized place of possibly very little food and surrounded by murders. So I'm going to make some not contact, but I'm going to communicate. And so they're already communicating with me. They came up to communicate with me, and they're just saying that, not saying, but communicating that they are traumatized and that I am a bitch because that's all they see around them. Murderous people, not bitches, but there are enough of those. But anyway, I don't mean to say that, but it is true. There are a lot of women bitches, unnatural, I shouldn't say bitches, but unnatural women, and 20% victims. No, well, 30%, 20% victims, 80% bitches, and 100% murders. Oh, no, that's not the way to say it. It's 20%, 20%, well, anyway, you get what I should say that better. But, this is the last, of rainforest in America, in this continent that has been murdered by murders. So this is rainforest home, and I'm going to respect these native lives that are communicating with me to leave them alone, and let them starve and let them die and go to their ancestors, like I will. Alright, thanks.